Hi guys, this is Karan Kundra.
Hi, this is Ruhi, and you're watching us on Bollywood Hangama.
We've got really good response from family and fans and friends, of course. She's already got an offer for a film, and most of the big casting directors are sending her congratulations.
Well, they are not very true. I mean, no, I've been getting a lot of best wishes, and a lot of people have been messaging me. The response is amazing. People are really liking it, and credit goes to you, Karan, because you look so handsome in the video.
Oh my God! And
they're like, oh my God, look at Karan, he looks so good.
And I'm telling you, the moment she enters the frame in that blue polka dot waitress dress, it just skyrockets from there. No, but I think pleasantly surprised looking at the video, because I was too busy shooting before this, so I didn't get a chance to see the video properly, not on the big screen. I am pleasantly surprised with the video. It sounds nice, it looks good. I think we've done a good job, and it's been nicely. The progression is nice. There's a story to the video. It's young, it's soulful. I think the people will like the video, and it's been beautifully shot in the most amazing locations that we were in, that we could be, shooting at then while we were in Georgia, and yeah. Looks cute.
I'm very honored. I feel really good that, first of all, when this video came to me, the first reason that I did it was T-Series, because, they're making such nice soulful videos with a lot of A-listers and really established people. And so I was really honored to be put into a very good zone. Secondly, the video has been shot so well. It's like a short story, and the quality of it was great. And of course, the song is beautiful. And Rahul, with his he has such a melodious and soulful voice. It's amazing. And Jeet Ganguly's composition, come on, like he's a star, So everything was great about the video, and hence.
I think she pretty much summed it up. See, I need something like this to showcase myself. I think at the point of where my career is right now, I'm in the middle of my transition. And when you get a good platform which is backed up by a company like T-Series, and you have to see the other people who've done the singles before ours, and the ones which will follow ours. They've got a lot of reputation attached to it. The names, as she said, there's first of all there's T-Series, there's Jeet Ganguly, Manoj, Rahul. And the way we were shooting the video, I think it was pretty good, a good opportunity for both of us, I'm sure. Yeah. And it was, I want to showcase myself as somebody who's young, who's ready, and who can be a romantic sort of a person. And as Ruhi said, that it's like a short movie. I would say it's tougher than a short movie, because what happens is, in 3 or 4 minutes, we can't say. We don't have dialogues, right? We have only there's a song playing, and we have to be the part of the story is what we as an actor, as actors, have to show. So from a guy who's who has a broken heart, to meeting this beautiful bubbly girl, and ending up falling in love with her. So both of us had to show a transition, and I think if somebody who's interested in me, probably I can show them this as my showreel, that it adds up to that, because you are working with the best people, you're working with the best cameramen, you're working with the best directors, the best makeup people, the best clothes, everything. So it's like a showreel for us, and hopefully something nice comes out of it.
Well, working with Karan, first of all, was fabulous, and pairing up with him,
just too sweet.
Too sweet. And we have been friends for a while, and the idea of working together has been there in our minds. We are like, yeah, we should do something cool together, and then it came up. So it was perfect timing for us. Also, I'm very grateful to Bhushan ji, for putting us together, and for visualizing, for seeing it, because I really, before the video was shot, I didn't know it would look so nice, and our chemistry would look really nice. Everybody has been appreciating it, and I had a great time, and I felt the chemistry. And now I've understood that, you cannot fake chemistry. Like when you're shooting, you know it. You know that this is going to look a certain way. So I'm really glad that it happened. And is it unconventional though?